So what you can do in Photopea is you can work around and open existing images so that you can edit them out. So to do that, you can go around over here onto File and click on Open. And once you do that, you can go around and choose an image of your choice right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to choose TuTube image right here, press Open, and what happens is that it gets loaded up, as you can see right here. Let's just go around and close this out right here. Apart from that, you can also go around onto this drive right here, and then click on load this device right here, and you get the same option. You can go around over here and then choose the image as you like. So let's just go around and select out, let's say for example, this folder right here, just like this, and view the files right here. And now you can view the file directly, as you can see right here. So now you can go around and choose an image of your choice right over here from this device and double click on it. And then you get the logo, as you can see right here, just like this. And that is how you can go around and then open images directly of your device inside of Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.